In this tutorial, we will learn how to change the password of the FTP account in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, click on the domain name with which the FTP account is associated. Under Files and Databases, click the FTP Access option. There is a list of FTP accounts. Click on that FTP account whose password you want to change. You can either enter the password twice in the given text input boxes or generate it automatically. To generate the password automatically, click on the Generate button and then show the password to copy and save it. It's ready now, click OK. Success! The password of the FTP account has been changed. Thank you for watching.